New inducer motor, pressure switch, flame sensor, gas valve a few weeks before that, heat inducer, exchanger last season. Calls for heat. The inducer comes on. The flame rod heats up. Gas valve opens, it lights, and extinguishes. Blower motor kicks on. Don't know why. Tries again to ignite. Pressure switch was just replaced, so was the flame sensor, so was the inducer motor. Still short cycling. What the hell? New control board 2 years ago. Only getting one flash for lockout, no code. 2004 Goodman furnace.